Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the yellow ring intertwined fates in Genshin Impact. These special items are absolutely essential for wishing on the limited time character and weapon banners. The most straightforward and consistent method involves converting your hard-earned primogems. You can exchange 160 primogems for one intertwined fate directly within the game's wishing interface, making it a primary way to acquire them for your desired pulls. Another reliable source for intertwined fates is Payman's Bargains, accessible through the in-game shop. Here, you can utilize your Masterless Stardust. Each month, you have the opportunity to purchase up to 5 intertwined fates. Each one will cost you 75 Masterless Stardust. Remember, this stock refreshes at the start of every new month, so make sure to grab them before they reset. Continuing in Payman's Bargains, you can also use your Masterless Star Glitter to obtain more intertwined fates. This is a fantastic way to convert your duplicate pulls into valuable wishing currency. Each intertwined fate will cost you 5 Masterless Star Glitter. Just like the Stardust Exchange, this option also resets monthly, allowing you to acquire up to 5 more fates every single month. Beyond direct purchases and monthly shop resets, there are other consistent ways to earn intertwined fates. The Battle Pass, both the free and paid versions, provides several fates as you progress through its levels. Additionally, always keep an eye on limited-time in-game events, as many offer intertwined fates as rewards. Finally, completing certain achievements and exploring the world can also yield these precious items.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.